everybody, welcome back. It's Tasha here. I am here today with my January Allure Beauty Box unboxing. So we'll jump into it and see what we think about it in just a minute. For those of you that are returning, welcome back. For those of you that are new here, my name is Tasha, and on my channel I do unboxings, hauls, and then reviews of the boxes of what I thought about the products. I would love for you to join my family. It would make such a big difference for me. So please click the subscribe button, join the family. And without any more talk, let's go ahead and jump into the Allure Beauty Box. So I know we have seen that recent change from the $15 a month or $12, whatever it was, up to the $24, almost $25 mark. And we're supposed to be getting more full-size products. I have not been super impressed with the boxes since the change, but let's jump into January's box and see what we think about it. So the first thing that I see in the box already is a full-size product, and so this is the Saturday Skin Rub-A-Dub Refining Peel Gel. So this has pineapple, papaya, and both of those are kind of exfoliants. They break down things, as well as vitamin A and C to further exfoliate and brighten. $28 is the price, and basically it says cleanse, then pat dry, apply to face, rub in circular motions for 1 minute, and rinse. Well, there you go. Let's see what it looks like. So definitely full-size product. I do like, typically there are a couple of things from Saturday Skin. I love that they seal it from Saturday Skin, and I do like it. There was a gel moisturizer that I had in a box that I do really like. We'll put just a little bit out right there. Oh, and there are little beads in there to help exfoliate. So let's just rub this around a little bit. Oh, as I shove it up my nose. It doesn't smell like pineapple or papaya. It smells like alcohol, and yes. So we have water, then glycerin, cellulose, then butylene glycol, alcohol denaturized, dipropylene glycol, penylene glycol. So definitely some things in there. Try it, see how it is. I'll throw it in my shower. Try it out. It's all good. Next thing in here is the cutest and littlest sponge ever. So this is the Base Blue Air Sponge. It is a teeny teardrop that feels like velvet. Good for concealers. $7 for one. Let's open it up and see. How do I even open it up? Oh, I thought this was like a carrying case. This is actually just like a, what they sell it in. You gotta break this all open somehow. Well, that seems complicated here. Okay, so we'll try and get that out later. Anyways, so I guess they are considering this a full-size product. $7, but okay, full-size product. Next thing that I see in here is the True and Luscious Super Moisture Lipstick. And it's a bullet lipstick, of course. It is packed with hydrating ingredients, including hyaluronic acid, to give a dewy finish. $22 is the full size. I don't know that this is a full-size product. It is vegan. It is cruelty-free, which I do like. Let's open it up and check it out. And it is a full-size product. I don't know why that box made me think that it wouldn't be. I love the packaging. So we have that same True and Luscious, oh, as I dropped something. True and Luscious branding with that beautiful lips and the wing right there on the front of that lipstick. It is nice packaging, beautiful, beautiful color. I'm going to kind of do it on the side here where I don't have that. That is really pretty. I don't know why I'm having trouble with estimating how far things are away. It doesn't smell like anything. It is really, really pretty. It will definitely not be a long-lasting lipstick, I don't think, because it is hydrating. It is beautiful. It is a beautiful color. So I do like that. And of course, another full-size product, retail value $22. So that's not bad. Okay, I'm okay with that. Next product that I see in here is the most beautiful bottle ever, and this is the brand L'Occitane, and I know my mom swears by this. This is the Immortelle Reset, I have no idea, serum. So this serum should be used at night. One bottle is reportedly sold every minute. The formula sinks in quickly and makes my skin feel softer and brighter overnight. It contains organic Immortelle essential oil. I don't know what that is. The same key ingredient as the cream version, but not the same noticeable scent. Retail value for a full-size product is $59. Of course, we have nowhere near $59, but I do love that the sample size is the same kind of colors and branding as the full size. It is a beautiful bottle. It has a nice pump here. We're going to put it out on my other hand. Let's only use a little bit because I'm sure that, oh, there you go, just a tiny little bit. It is clear. It is that nice serum. It's thicker than I expected. It's almost like a gel. You can't smell hardly anything. Maybe a little floral, but not much at all. Oh, and that is nice. Yeah, you definitely can. It smells like rose, almost rose, flowery, florally-ishness. But it does sink in really, really quickly. Like that's already in my skin. I do like that. Okay. Super cool. And there is a coupon code in here for 10% off the serum. The code is Allure 10. Smooths fine lines, revitalizes skin, improves youthful radiance. I'd be interested to look and see what the ingredients on that are. Well, there you go. Next product that I have in here is the Beauty Crop Blush Duo. And so this is in Mauvelicious. It has two formulas in one compact, a powder and a cream to blend out beautifully. A full-size price is $10. I do think this is a full-size price because typically Beauty Crop are a little bit smaller. It is cruelty-free and vegan. Let's open this up and see. So there you go. There are the duos right there. And so this side is a cream color. And let's go ahead and swatch that on my arm right there. That's beautiful. That's nice and emollient. That blends out really well. Oh, I like that. And then let's do the powder. And you could put the powder on top of the cream blush to set it, or you could do it on its own. And that's pretty. That's more pinky. That's more of a peachy, dusty rose color, but they are really pretty colors. They feel really nice. They blend out well. I like that. That's pretty cool. So far, some good products. It does say in here that I am supposed to have in my thing a sample size of the L'Occitane Immortelle Cream, which I do not have. So I am missing a product in my box, and that's kind of sad because I really wanted to try that cream. Because again, my mom swears by it. And then the next thing that we have in here is a Mani Me stick-on gels. And so these stickers are customized to fit your nails. You apply in a breeze. $15 to $25 is the price range, and this is a gift card for $30 on the website. So you actually go ahead and when you do this, you scan your nails on it, then you can shop what manis come in that size, you redeem your code, and then they'll send it to you. So that'll be interesting to see if that really works. Do you have to pay shipping? I'm curious about all of that. I do think that this month was better than other boxes. We got several full-size products. I do think though for the value, I don't think the value is there. Because consider, this is $10, this is $7. Again, they're both all full-size products. This one is $22, another full-size, so 32, we'll say 40 for all of this, right? Then we have the Saturday Skin, 68 is what we're up to. And then a sample size product of the L'Occitane and a weird gift card. So I'm only getting double my value, not even quite double my value compared with BoxyCharm or Ipsy or other, even Ice Cream Beauty. There is not the value there for the box, at least I don't think so yet. I do like that it's some different type of brands. It's not all of the mainstream. Like I was introduced to True and Luscious through Allure, which I do really like. It's nice to have that different products to be introduced to. I just don't think that for the value, it's always worth it. Hopefully it improves as we go along and they kind of figure out what's going on, but we'll have to see. Please drop me a line. Let me know what you guys got in your Allure beauty boxes. Have you tried anything yet? Do you really like any of the products? I loved having you here with me. Thanks so much for joining me today. Please stay safe, stay happy, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.